Prior to this lesson, you need to set up application examples to be used for the demonstration. The demonstration of the web service consists of one provider, two consumers from two different applications. The web service provider is a web application known as REST provider. This application runs on Tomcat 8.5, localhost on port 8080. The first web service consumer is REST Console Client. This application demonstrates how the service is consumed and display the output on the console. This is the simplest form of application. The second web service consumer is REST EE Client. It is a Java web-based application that consumes the service from the REST provider. This application running on Tomcat server at localhost but using different port. You were provided with a setup guide and several files to set up the demo application. It is advisable to do it in a new workspace. There should be three applications, which are REST provider, REST console client, and REST EE client. REST provider and REST EE client runs on different servers. Please make sure that REST provider will always run on the server.